All right, does your Arizona outdoor space sit empty for most of the summer just because it's too freaking hot here in Arizona? Well, guess what? You're not alone. Living in Arizona means a lot of sunshine absolutely year round, but without the right setup, it can feel like your backyard turns into a furnace for about 4 months a year. So today I'm going to show you how to turn your patio into a relaxing year-round oasis, even in our 110 or, oh my gosh, heaven forbid, 22-degree heat. Hey everyone, I'm Katie Evans, the Real Estate Boss Mom. Welcome back to another one of our videos. I'm super excited to have you here. I'm actually on a little bit of a road trip right now. I am in Tucson and I'm sitting at the most amazing under $2 million estate up in the Catalina Mountains, and it is beautiful, and I couldn't think of a better location to give you guys this information. So let's start with shade. All right, I'm actually sitting under an umbrella at a table right now. Super fun. Pergolas, sails, umbrellas, all of these are not just pretty add-ons. They are actually essentials for your Arizona backyard. Add a retractable awning that you can push and pull out off of the side of the house, especially over sliding glass doors. Those are amazing, and that way you can control how much sun you want, when you want it, that kind of thing as well. So if you pair that with a really high grade misting system, you can actually drop the temperature by about 20 degrees. Did you know? You do now. That is the difference between hiding indoors and sipping a little beverage on the back patio. All right, now let's talk about our landscaping. So if you're tired of grass that gets completely killed in the summer, or you have to spend so much money on water, you can think things like artificial turf, succulents, decorative landscaping. All those kind of things are fabulous options here in Arizona. Low maintenance, heat friendly, and then if you add like some really comfortable UV, remember that's important, UV resistant furniture, something that's mesh or light color, wicker, those kind of things, that's gonna help you avoid those bum burns when you go outside. So trust me, your legs are gonna thank you for things like that. Now let's talk about air circulation. The reason I'm loving sitting where I'm sitting right here is there's a lot of just natural breezes that come through. But another thing that you can do is to actually put a ceiling fan, better yet an outdoor fan so you don't get those droopy blades, but an outdoor fan, and even better, you want to really 10x your game, do a misting fan on the back patio. Can change your world, promise you. So want to elevate that vibe? Maybe add a small little like water fountain for some trickles, or a stock tank pool, or swimming pool right behind me is pretty nice to have as well. Surprisingly stylish, super refreshing, enjoyable to sit by. And then we're gonna wrap everything up with a beautiful strand or 2 or 3, depending on how large your yard is, of the cafe strand lights, string lights. Solar paths on the ground are beautiful at night. Maybe some solar lights that shine into the trees or into the bushes. Those are our favorite in our home as well. And that is gonna make your backyard space feel absolutely magical at night when the temperatures cool down, and it's even more comfortable to go outside. Bottom line, here in Arizona, your backyard does not have to be wasted space half of the year. You can actually enjoy it with a few smart upgrades. It's going to become a second living room to you year round. It's going to be perfect for grilling, hosting, watching our amazing Arizona sunsets. And so if you are thinking about buying or selling a home, and you are looking for something with some amazing outdoor potential, let's talk about it. I'm Katie Evans. As always, I'm here to be a resource for you, answer any questions that you might have. So please, if you haven't before, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, give us a follow. I'd love your comments. And of course, if you know of somebody who could use this information, be sure to share it with them as well. Super excited to meet you and be here for you. And of course, I'd love to help you create that home that you are actually going to use year round, inside and out. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And as always, I'll see you on our next video.